In this video, we are going to see how to integrate logx. We can integrate logx using the method integration by paths. Okay, first let me write the formula for integration by paths. So the formula is, for example, we have to consider the given integration as u dv. So this is equal to uv negative integral v du. Okay, so this is the formula we have for the method integration by paths. Okay, here this one, the integral log x dx has to be considered, has to be compared with integral u dv. When you compare this one with integral u dv, so this log x has to be considered as u and this dx has to be considered as dv. Then this is equal to uv negative integral v du. So to get the result, I need u, v, then du. So I need these three stuff, u, v, what is equal to u, what is equal to v, and what is equal to du. Okay, from the given integral, given integration, that is integral log x dx, we have u is equal to log x and dv is equal to dx. For the first step uv, I need u and v. Already I know u, so u is equal to log x, but I do not know what is v, but instead of v I know dv. So from dv, if I want to get v, I need to integrate. So I integrate both sides. When I integrate both sides, integral dv is equal to just v and integral dx is equal to just x. So now I got what is u and what is v. So this step is completed, uv. So when I move to the second step of the result, I have integral v du. I know what is v, that is x, but I have to find what is du. Okay, to get du, what I need to do is, here I have to find the derivative, because in this one I have u. If I find derivative, u will become du. So here on both sides I am going to find derivative with respect to x. So when I find derivative of u with respect to x, it will be du over dx, and when I find derivative of this log x, it will be just 1 over x. Okay, so now du is equal to 1 over x times dx, that is we multiply both sides by dx. So we get du is equal to 1 over x dx. Okay, now we can write all the results here. So instead of u, now we can write log x times, instead of v we have x minus integral v du. So for v we have x and for du we have 1 over x times dx. So this x will cancel out. We get log x times x can be written as x log x minus integral dx. So x log x minus integration of dx is just x. So the integral constant should be added because it is an indefinite integral. So the integration of log x is x log x minus x plus c. Otherwise what we can do is, we can factor x from these two terms, then the result can be written as x times log x minus 1 plus c. I hope this video will be much useful for the students who study calculus. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you all.